The next exercise that we're going to be talking about is somewhat of we would call it a vastus medialis activation exercise, but this is something that you can call an extension of the knee. You can start this with just your leg by itself if you want to, or you can have either a towel or sheet underneath the knee, or you can use a pillow as a form of resistance, and I'll show you what that looks like in a sec. But for this one, what you're going to do is you're going to try and place the back of the knee and you're going to try and push it down towards the ground. Hold that for about 3 to 5 seconds before relaxing, easing off. That's one. Okay? Now I'll show you what that looks like without the sheet. So you're trying to bring the back of the knee down towards the ground, squeezing the quad before loosening up again. Okay? With a pillow, you can add as a form of resistance as there's a medium there. So what you're trying to do is when the knee's forced into this position, you're trying to return it back to extension and try and push the back of the knee down. It's important to note that you want to try and make sure that the ankle is not raising up when you're doing this. Try instead push the ankle down as you're pushing the knee down as well and keep your hip on the ground. You can also turn the pillow up to add a lot more resistance, and this makes it a little bit trickier to try and place down towards the ground. Ways to make this harder: you can do repetitions if you wanted to for 10, 12, and 15 like we've talked about in previous videos, or you can do for seconds or pulses. So with seconds, I recommend doing this one from about 10 to 30 seconds for one repetition, and then you can also do pulses, so 10 at the very beginning, 10 in the middle, and then 10 towards the end. And I'll show you what that looks like. So this is a good one to do with the pillow, with pulses. So 10 in the very beginning, where you're just going up and down, coming down towards the middle, 10 in the middle, and at the very end, this is where it gets tricky, you're trying to keep the end range as you're squeezing down. That's one of your remedial exercises for the knee. Hope you guys enjoyed that.